Alright guys, so welcome to today's product review. So today I want to share with you, I want to give you access to my new PLR package. It's 30 music lessons package. So these are technical lessons for the music niche, and it comes with full license rights, full PLR rights for you to use it however you want. You can give it away, you can use it to as a lead magnet to grow your list, and you can even sell it as your own. You can even edit it, you can repackage this product and sell it as your own product. You rebrand it as your own product and sell at your own price. So I'm going to leave a link under this video where you can actually grab this product, download the products right away and start using it for endless profit. So this is an evergreen package that you can serve as an info product, as a lead magnet, or an ongoing series if you decide to break it up, use it in your email leads or whatever way you want to use it. So it's high quality ready-made music lessons that you can sell as your own. You can repurpose and you can even monetize it. So you're going to get e-covers. I've also included about 7 e-cover formats that you can use to sell this particular PLR product. So these are the lessons included. You have lesson 1 to lesson 30, all these, and you also get audio versions of this lesson, so some people can actually listen to it while they are on the move or while they are anywhere. So you're going to get audio versions of these music lessons. So you can see lesson 1, you have understanding rhythm and timing the heartbeat of music. Lesson 2, basic music notation, the language of music. And then in lesson 3, the music alphabets, building blocks of music. So you have all along to lesson 30 with understanding musical form and structure, the blueprints of music. So this is a ready made digital set for you that you can add to your business and start selling as your own. You can list it on your websites, you can even sell it on marketplaces as your own. Even if you sell it for just $10, you're going to make a lot of money. You're going to sell at least I don't know, it depends on how you do your marketing or where you're taking it to. You just need to send traffic to the package and then you start selling it right away. So that's it right there. So you get 30 structured lessons that covers the music niche. So go ahead, you find a link under this video. You go to just click on it and it brings you to this page right here, and then you can head over, just $9.95, and then you can pick it up. So just click here, add to cart, or click on this download button right here. So it's going to direct you to the purchase page right here. So here you're going to make your purchase. So you can see I've included full extended license for you, so you can use it however you want. There's no limit on you, so you're only $9.95. And if you want the audio version of the whole 30 lessons, music lessons, you can just check this box and then you make your purchase of $22 and then you pick it up. You can pay via your card, or you can pay another way, or you can check out with your PayPal account. So it's very easy. Just enter your name and your email address and you get lifetime access to these music lessons. Yes, you can sell it over and over and over and over again for life. Yes, for life, as long as you want to be selling it, as long as you have your PayPal button, your payment button active. So go ahead, you have 30-day money back guarantee. If you pick this up and you don't like it, there's a support email. You can reach out to me, just message me, and then you can actually have this for yourself. Don't forget to enter your email here where you get your receipts from Warrior Plus, and then you get access to your product. So thank you very much. Don't forget, if you are new to my channel, you're seeing this for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and bye bye.